Tech Trends 2025. What's on the horizon? The year 2025 promises to usher in a transformative era for technology, marked by rapid advancements that will redefine how we work, communicate, and experience the world around us. Innovations driven by the relentless pace of progress are converging from diverse domains such as artificial intelligence, connectivity, quantum computing, sustainability, and immersive digital experiences. As boundaries between digital and physical realities continue to blur, these trends will create new opportunities and reshape entire industries, presenting both unprecedented potential and significant challenges for businesses, governments, and individuals alike. Artificial intelligence and machine learning remain at the forefront of technological evolution. In 2025, AI is expected to mature further, becoming deeply integrated into everyday applications across every sector. Intelligent systems will not only process vast amounts of data at speeds far beyond human capability but will also learn and adapt in real time, enabling a new level of personalization in areas such as healthcare, education, and customer service. Machine learning algorithms, powered by more sophisticated neural networks, will increasingly handle complex, multidimensional tasks, from predicting market trends and optimizing supply chains to assisting in autonomous vehicle navigation. This evolution is likely to expand the realm of generative AI, driving creative applications that range from automated content creation to personalized multimedia experiences. As industries harness these capabilities, efficiency and innovation will be driven by systems that continuously refine their operations and decision-making processes based on incoming data. Connectivity is also set for a breakthrough shift, with the global rollout of 5G networks already in full swing and the early seeds of 6G research taking root. Ultra-fast network speeds and reduced latency are poised to revolutionize the way devices interact, paving the way for an explosion of Internet of Things, IoT, integration. In 2025, everyday objects, from home appliances to industrial machinery, will become intelligent nodes in a vast, interconnected ecosystem, enabling real-time communication and data exchange on an unprecedented scale. This surge in connectivity will facilitate smart cities where traffic, energy, and environmental systems are managed dynamically, enhancing efficiency and reducing waste. As networks become more robust and ubiquitous, the boundary between online and offline experiences will continue to diminish, creating new paradigms for how we live and interact. Quantum computing, though still in its nascent stages, is another trend with the potential to disrupt traditional computing paradigms. By leveraging the principles of quantum mechanics, these systems promise to solve problems that are beyond the reach of conventional computers. In 2025, developments in quantum error correction, qubit stability, and hybrid computational models are expected to bring practical quantum applications closer to reality. Industries such as pharmaceutical research, logistics, and financial modeling may begin to harness quantum computing to develop new drugs, optimize supply chains, and perform complex risk assessments that were previously computationally prohibitive. The advent of quantum computing represents not just a technological milestone but a fundamental shift in how complex problems are approached and solved. Blockchain technology and decentralized systems are set to continue transforming the landscape of digital transactions and data integrity. Originally devised as the backbone of cryptocurrencies, blockchain has evolved into a versatile tool for ensuring transparency and security in a wide array of applications. In 2025, blockchain is expected to become more mainstream as enterprises integrate distributed ledger technologies into supply chain management, digital identity verification, and even voting systems. The decentralized nature of blockchain offers a robust alternative to traditional centralized databases, reducing the risks of single points of failure and fostering an environment where trust is established through cryptographic proofs rather than institutional authority. As regulatory frameworks evolve to address the unique challenges posed by these technologies, blockchain's role in securing digital transactions and maintaining data integrity is anticipated to expand significantly. Sustainability and green technology are increasingly intertwined with digital innovation, driven by the urgent global imperative to address climate change. In 2025, advancements in renewable energy sources, energy storage systems, and smart grid solutions will play a pivotal role in creating a more sustainable future. Innovations such as high-efficiency solar panels, wind turbines utilizing advanced materials, and next-generation battery technologies are expected to reduce the carbon footprint of energy production while improving reliability. Furthermore, digital technologies are enabling more effective energy management through real-time monitoring and automation. For instance, smart sensors and AI-driven analytics can optimize energy use in industrial processes and urban infrastructures, resulting in reduced waste and cost savings. These advancements not only make sustainable energy solutions more accessible, but also encourage a broader shift towards environmentally responsible practices across industries. Immersive technologies, including augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are poised to redefine entertainment and beyond by offering users unparalleled interactive experiences. By 2025, AR will have advanced beyond simple overlays on digital screens, integrating seamlessly with our daily lives to provide real-time contextual information in industries from retail and education to healthcare and industrial maintenance. Virtual reality, on the other hand, will create fully immersive environments for gaming, virtual tourism, and remote work, allowing users to engage with digital content in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. These immersive technologies are also expected to find innovative applications in professional training and simulation, where lifelike virtual environments can enhance learning experiences and safety protocols in fields such as aviation, medicine, and emergency response. As the hardware underpinning these systems becomes more affordable and user-friendly, AR and VR are poised to become mainstream tools for both personal and professional use. Another emerging trend that is gaining momentum is edge computing, which complements the growth of cloud-based services by processing data closer to its source. As IoT adoption rises, so does the quantity of data generated at the network's periphery. Edge computing addresses the challenges of latency and bandwidth by enabling data analysis and decision-making to occur locally rather than entirely relying on centralized cloud servers. This localized processing is critical for applications that demand real-time responses, such as autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and smart healthcare devices. As edge computing infrastructures mature, they will work in tandem with cloud computing to provide a hybrid model that maximizes both speed and data storage capabilities, ensuring that systems remain agile and responsive under varying loads. Cybersecurity continues to evolve as an essential aspect of the tech landscape, particularly as digital threats become more sophisticated. In 2025, the importance of robust security protocols will be highlighted by the increasing reliance on cloud infrastructure, interconnected devices, and sensitive data transmissions. Advanced encryption techniques, AI-driven threat detection, and decentralized security models will become commonplace tools in the fight against cybercrime. The growing use of biometric data and multi-factor authentication methods will further solidify the defenses of digital systems, offering enhanced protection against unauthorized access and data breaches. As regulatory bodies worldwide enforce stricter data protection laws, companies will need to adopt proactive security measures to safeguard user data and maintain trust, underscoring the critical balance between innovation and privacy. Innovation in robotics and automation is set to redefine manufacturing, logistics, and even daily household activities. As intelligent robots become more agile and capable through advancements in machine learning and sensor technology, they will take on increasingly complex tasks that were once exclusive to human workers. Collaborative robots, or cobots, will work alongside humans in factories, warehouses, and service industries, increasing efficiency and reducing workplace hazards. In tandem with automation, advancements in 3D printing and additive manufacturing will revolutionize production processes by enabling rapid prototyping and on-demand manufacturing of intricate components. These technological strides are not only improving operational efficiencies but are also reshaping labor markets and prompting a re-evaluation of workforce skills and education. The evolution of digital workspaces and remote collaboration tools will continue to transform how organizations operate and interact. The global shift toward hybrid work models, accelerated by recent events, has led to a surge in the development of tools that facilitate virtual collaboration. Enhanced video conferencing, augmented virtual workspaces, and collaborative project management platforms are enabling teams to work efficiently from anywhere in the world. These tools are accompanied by AI-driven productivity apps that streamline workflows, analyze team performance, and even predict project outcomes based on historical data. This ongoing digital transformation is not only changing where work happens but also how organizational structures are designed, promoting more flexible, decentralized, and innovative approaches to business. Emerging trends in technology also extend to the field of healthcare, where digital transformation is leading to groundbreaking improvements in patient care, diagnostics, and personalized medicine. The integration of wearable devices, real-time health monitoring, and telemedicine platforms is revolutionizing the way healthcare services are delivered, making them more accessible and efficient. Advances in medical imaging, powered by both high-resolution sensors and AI analytics, are enabling earlier diagnosis and more targeted treatments. Moreover, the fusion of biotechnology and digital technology is accelerating research in genomics and innovative drug development, promising a future where treatments are tailored to individual genetic profiles. This convergence of technology and medicine is poised to dramatically improve outcomes, reduce costs, and ultimately extend the quality and longevity of human life. As we peer into the future, the convergence of these technological trends is setting the stage for a world that is markedly more interconnected, intelligent, and efficient. From AI and quantum computing to immersive realities and sustainable energy solutions, the innovations anticipated for 2025 will collectively transform the way we engage with technology and, by extension, the world around us. The advancements in connectivity, computing power, and digital infrastructure are not only enhancing individual experiences but are fundamentally reshaping entire industries, promoting a future of boundless opportunities and challenges. Embracing these trends will require collaboration among scientists, engineers, policymakers, and business leaders, ensuring that the benefits of technological progress are harnessed responsibly and equitably.